Okay, now I can. Okay, birthday haul. But also, this is probably gonna be its own video as well. I have to show you something that was at my Ulta. I'm so curious. So, they randomly, I got a haul, which you'll have seen in my birthday haul video. But they had this new brand that I hadn't seen before, UNDONE Beauty. Boobop, boobop. Oh Lord. So I'm here and I want to do a full face of this, but you come down to the foundation. At what point would that be dark enough for me? Like, maybe, no. And I'm gonna try those. I would have loved to have done a full face, but I couldn't. Birthday gift. They have a brown liner and it's like a angled liner. This is in dark chocolate. Let's see if I can open this with my nails. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm gonna get my Miska Mouska Toodle. The branding's like super subtle, minimalist. It was giving kind of like Glossier Girl. I don't need to talk about this here. I got it elsewhere. Oh. Oh. The fuck? And I'm like mad curious. I wish I would have got the black as well. Huh. So birthday haul first. I went to Ulta. I had a couple coupons. I looked around. Just wasn't inspired because my Ulta doesn't really have any of the Fenty Beauty stuff yet. So I was like, well, might as well buy something weird. So I did. I bought from this new brand that I hadn't heard of, UNDONE. They were on sale for $4 a piece, so I bought them. I have a birthday gift from Ulta Tarte, and it's mascara. And I was telling Miriam that I never actually buy mascara. I simply buy other things, and then it's a gift with purchase. This is a liner from UNDONE, and this is, this is soft matte lip cream in Rome, the darkest shade they offered at my Ulta. So this will just be a part of the birthday haul. Ooh. They're always this color. I don't love this color on me. Always that color. Oh. And now we get kind of into the UNDONE Beauty stuff. I have a couple of shots of it already, but like this is an angled liner. It doesn't really show up on me that deeply. It's perfect for freckles if freckles were the size of small feet. They did have it in black, but I wanted to try it in brown. Why not? Welcome to the team. Let's get into these lip glosses. No. It's all this color. Why is that the deepest color? This is Downtown Beauty from NYX. And this is like a new lip liner for me. Miriam's probably like, what the fuck? You know, meet your mom. Doesn't bother me. Your mom's a nice lady. I guess. Alright. I normally put on a base liquid lipstick, but I'm not going to do that. Alright. Undone Beauty. We're going to do some swatches. I would have loved to have bought a full face of makeup from Undone Beauty, but as you'll see in the video that I'm going to provide, they don't have a shade in their skin tint dark enough for me. They had a lot of interesting blushes and stuff, but it was just like, those were all still full price, and I was just like, that's not worth it for me right now. So this is Infinite Pink. They call them Lip Life. Ooh, oh. I don't know if you can see the Squidward tentacles, tent balls. Let's put a little zoom in on it. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ew, plastic. Give us the juice. Is this supposed to exfoliate my mouth? Oh, that's gonna be a lot for swatching. Huh. I was not expecting this color. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. So that was... Huh. I don't... Okay, this is On My Own Cloud. We're gonna peel it from the other end so I don't have to take the entire wrapper off. So this one's kind of like shimmery sheer. It's less solid than the other one. I'm so curious about what any of these colors actually are, because Because what the buck is even happening? This is Circe on top. This was the first color I was drawn to. It's like a fun red. And see, this one's like sheer. That first one was wild. Also, my lips being lightly scraped with those little exfoliators after a while. That certainly is a feeling. I feel like I haven't talked about the texture because I've been so thrown by the package. It feels light and oily, which isn't my favorite. It's not glossy. This is definitely like a lip oil. It feels like when you put lotion on your mouth after when you've got like doing your skincare and you get a little lotion. Okay, weird feelings, weird feelings. Huh. My lips feel really soft, not dry like I've, been taking lipsticks on and off. I want to end on a high note, so we'll do this one, which is the one I think my mom's gonna like, but I don't know anymore because this is quite the weird little flavor play. And I mean, it has that like Glossier, the brand itself has that Glossier look. So I don't know they're high. I hate wearing lipstick without anything else. I always feel overdone and much prefer gloss. I don't like a tint, like, and the tint has to be very light. I like this. I feel like my mom's really gonna like it. Gonna have to bully her into trying it. Goodbye, clip. It's so light. I'm sure my mother will tell me how it lasts throughout the day. And here is the shade that I feel I am most compatible with. Ooh. This is maybe Bear. So this is maybe like their nude. Huh. It's a smell. And I didn't buy the clear because I think that, clear glosses are kind of superfluous, but I really like this formula, I think. I don't know how they want me to apply this. Expect footage from other people in my life trying these on. But I don't hate these. These are kind of cute. This is a cute moment. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching my little swatchy swatch of Undone Beauty's glosses, lip oils. I don't know. I feel like the little try-on and Ulta said glosses, but like, I don't know. They were on sale when I bought them, so you know, no love lost on me, huh?
Again, squeeze it out. It's still so weird to watch it. Okay. Ew. I swear I put... Excuse me, lips. How dare you? There we go. Make sure it's not all... There we go. Now I can see. They feel good.
Yeah.
They're nice and softening.
It's cute. Okay, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_Blush_. Subscribe generally where my face is, and comment down below what you want to see me talk about next. Bye. Bye-bye.